And welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ajane, and in today's video we're going to be doing a wig install and a little mini vlog for the day. So we are working with UNICE Hair. This is their Amazon brand, company or whatever. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now to join the family, and leave a like if you already know that my hair is going to turn out bomb. So we got some burgundy hair. Well, it's labeled burgundy, but I honestly think it's more of like a candy red, kind of like cherry color, and it's 18 inches, and I'm so excited to see how this turns out. So the hair does come with this piece under it, I guess, to mimic like a wig cap or whatever. So I guess you wouldn't need to have a wig cap on to wear this wig, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. And here's just some things that came with the wig as like a specialty gift. I want to give a huge shout out to the Coldest Water as well. Use my code Ajane for 10% off your purchase if you guys are considering getting a water bottle from the Coldest Water. Mine is cute, huh? It kind of matches the hair. Oh, and the little piece that I'm taking off was very easy to take off as well. So if you guys are interested in just, removing that, it comes off super easy. And another thing I want to point out is that this wig can only be used as a middle part, but that doesn't matter to me. I've really been into middle parts, but yeah, the way they made it is so it can only be a middle part. As you guys all know, I do not bleach my wigs anymore just because I'm lazy. So I'm going to use my powder foundation. This is the L'Oreal in Neutral, the True Tone. And I'm just going to put it on there. And it does really good. I'm supposed to be spraying it after with like the hairspray to make sure that it doesn't move, but I keep forgetting. The Coldest Water was also kind enough to put my YouTube channel name on the bottle. So subscribe if you haven't already, just because that's live. And also check them out for real. Okay, so these side panels are too long. So I'm trying to figure out if I don't want to cut it because that's like how they sewed it. But I just don't have I don't know, my head's not wide, if that makes sense. So this hair is labeled at 18 inches. This is how long the 18 inches is on me. If you guys were wondering, I used to wear a lot of 18 inches. I'm just putting some mousse on the top to get the flyaways, because it is like this is a short chunk right here. I don't know if I did that. Let's see, I don't know if I did that or they did that, but I'm just gonna smooth it out. I don't know what this short piece is on. I think like this lighting is messing it up. What does it look like to you? How do y'all feel about it? I never really liked red on me. That other red I had was like a darker. I feel like this red is more like a cherry, like a candy kind of red. I don't like it. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. But the hair by itself is really nice. Y'all know I'm just not really a big fan of closures. When I ordered it, I thought it was gonna be a frontal. Make sure you guys are reading the instructions. But if you guys are looking for a closure and y'all wanna, you know, try some color, check them out. Right after I finish my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the dining hall. The girl really just woke up, brushed my teeth, looked in the mirror, and I was like, let's try something different. Let's get some new hair. So here is the new hair, guys. Go ahead and check out the code is water. My 15% off discount code is in the description box down below. Yeah, the code is water, keeps your drink super cold, works better with ice. They actually put my YouTube channel on the bottle, which is I'm super excited about, y'all. I'm taking this everywhere I go. I'm taking this with me right now to the dining hall. I'm filling this up in the dining hall. So yeah. Also guys, I actually moved my bed to the corner. That way I can actually get into my closet. If you guys seen my what's the name? My dorm tour. I moved it. It's still pretty much the same. I just moved it over so I could get into my closet on both sides. So yeah, I got my shoes at the bottom, got belts in there, shoes, towels. Here's all my handbags and, you know, clothes. And, you know, I got a whole lot of clothes under the bed. I legit don't know what I want to wear though. Let me check the weather real quick. Okay, so it says it's 61 degrees and the hottest it's gonna be is 68. So it's still like a pretty warm day. It's a pretty like chilly day, not necessarily like a warm day, but it's pretty chilly. So I'm gonna put on a long sleeve top. What kind of pants should I wear? If I wear this black top with this hair. Okay, so here is this black top. I showed you guys in my Fashion Nova haul, so check out the Fashion Nova haul for more information on where I got this, on the name of this top and all that. I don't like how low cut it is, and I think I need to change my bra because I don't know, it's peeking through. But yeah, the sun is really shiny, so I could wear like cutouts like this with long sleeves. Okay, so here is the outfit. I like it. I know my top is kind of weird, but yeah, whole thing is from Fashion Nova. Of course, this hair is from UNICE. So if you guys do like this hair, go ahead and check it out. I'm liking my little natural look, like my eyes, like my face. I might just fill in my eyebrows a little bit, but this is the outfit. I need to figure out what shoes. This is the outfit. Okay, so I did go and get something to eat, but I went ahead and came back because the person who usually takes my pictures, I guess he still has a class. Did I cut this? Because why is this piece so short? I don't know. But yeah, he's busy. My wig did slide back a little bit. Everybody's loving this color on me. Do y'all like the color on me? They're like, please take pictures, please take pictures. And I was gonna take pictures. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Once again, this is 18 inches. I'll have the link to this hair in my description box. This outfit is from Fashion Nova. Go ahead and check out my Fashion Nova haul if you guys have not, for more information on each piece. And yeah. Coldest water link will also be in the description box down below. Please use my code if you guys are interested in getting a water bottle or you know, one of these kind of cups. I like this kind of cup because it's easier for me to hold, but the other bottles are easier to like throw in your backpacks. I have to hold this one, but I still like this cup. So check it out, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all at Your Pink Pillow. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.